Hello everyone, welcome to the orbit of the coding. So in this session, we have talking about the error code NG8001. App my first comp is not a known element. So in the previous session, that is Angular tutorial 3 session, we were got the exception that is this my first component is not a known element, and these are the description of this error. So the first description is if app my first comp is Angular component, then verify that it is included in the at the rate component dot import uh, import of each component, right? I'm just bit scroll. Okay, so this is the only text. Okay, so of this I thought some of text was hidden, but the text is not hidden, right? So like the resolution of this issue is explained in the first point. So I need to include uh, the new component in the component in the imports decorator. So these are the decorators, and we are working on the Angular version 18. So in the 18 version, we don't have app.module.typescript. So usually in the TypeScript, if we create in the lower Angular version, if we create any component, then we need to include in the app.module.components. But in the upgraded version like Angular 18 or Angular 15 plus, we don't have app.module.typescript. So we just need to include the component in the app.component.typescript. So I'm going to include my first component here, and the imports my first component path is automatically created here. So now I'm going to save the application. If I save the code, then it's automatically build and compile our application. Here you can see that I just hit the enter save. It's compiled automatically and creates, and the application creates a bundle and generate the code successfully. So now I'm going to see here you can see that. So my first app component is works, right? So this is the first component, like app dot component is in the HTML. So this layout is the first component, and 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 in the second component we have create one another component, my first comp, and these are the text. I can show you in the code. So here you can see that so these are the main layout, and we have set the reference app my first component. So this is the tag, and the tags belongs to the my first uh, component selectors. So these are the selectors, and we have include this selector in this HTML. So it's working as we can say that it's working as a placeholders in this text. And here you can see that, so this is the first component, and this is the second component layout, and the HTML it works. So thank you for watching this session. So in this session, I only wanted to show how to fix this error. So if you have any questions or query, please put it in the comment box, and I happy to resolve your query and answer your query. So happy learning, and thank you so much for watching this session. Have a nice day.